Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into the Turtle Beach Vulcan II TKL Pro gaming keyboard. Known for its unique Hall effect magnetic switches and robust build, this keyboard promises to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The Vulcan II TKL Pro impresses right out of the box with its aluminum top plate and sleek, compact design. It's a 75% layout keyboard, which means it's more portable without sacrificing essential keys for gaming. One of the standout features here are the Hall effect magnetic switches. These aren't your average mechanical switches. They use magnetic fields to detect key presses, offering faster response times and customizable actuation points. This is perfect for competitive gamers looking to optimize their gameplay. Speaking of gameplay, the Vulcan II TKL Pro excels in that department. Whether you're into FPS or RPGs, the responsive feel of these switches really shines. You can adjust the actuation point for each key, giving you that extra edge in precision and speed. Now, let's switch gears to the typing experience. While it's primarily a gaming keyboard, typing on the Vulcan II TKL Pro is surprisingly smooth. The keys feel tactile and responsive, thanks to those Hall effect switches. However, the spacing between the keys might take some getting used to, which could impact typing accuracy. Moving on to aesthetics, the per-key RGB lighting on this keyboard is stunning. It's fully customizable via Turtle Beach's companion software, allowing you to create unique lighting profiles that match your setup. Whether you prefer subtle hues or flashy effects, the Vulcan II TKL Pro has you covered. Let's talk about the companion software, Turtle Beach Swarm 2. It's intuitive and packed with features. From remapping keys to adjusting RGB settings and even fine-tuning the actuation points. This software gives you full control over your keyboard customization. Of course, no product is perfect. The Vulcan II TKL Pro has a few drawbacks worth mentioning. The ABS keycaps, while decent, can get shiny over time. There's also a noticeable gap between some keys, which might lead to missed inputs during intense gaming sessions. In conclusion, the Turtle Beach Vulcan II TKL Pro is a solid choice for gamers who prioritize performance and build quality. Its Hall effect switches and customizable features make it a contender in the gaming keyboard arena. Just be aware of its minor quirks before making your decision. That wraps up our review of the Turtle Beach Vulcan II TKL Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.